In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate maintenance mode on your website using hPanel. This is a handy skill to have in your toolkit, particularly when you're making updates or performing scheduled maintenance on your site, and you want to ensure that your visitors have a clear and professional message rather than encountering a broken page. Let's dive straight in and look at how you can easily set this up. First, you'll want to log into your hPanel account. This is your main control dashboard for managing your website, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. Once logged in, you'll be starting off from the home dashboard. From here, navigate to the section labeled Websites. It's typically easy to spot and will list all of your hosted domains. Click on it to reveal a list of all the websites you're currently managing. If you manage multiple sites, you'll need to select the specific one you want to put into maintenance mode. Click Manage next to the site's name, which will take you to that site's management page. Once you're in the management area, look for the section titled Hosting Settings. This is where a lot of the magic happens concerning the day-to-day operations and configurations of your website. In the hosting settings, you should find an option to enable maintenance mode. Now, it's important to note that this feature might not be available for all hosting plans, but if you see it, go ahead and enable it. This is crucial, as enabling maintenance mode is what tells the server to temporarily replace your website with a maintenance message instead of loading the usual content. Next comes the customization part, where you can enter a custom maintenance message. It's your chance to communicate with your visitors. So, think about what you'd like to say. You might want to reassure visitors that your website will be back shortly and that you're working on improving their experience. It's always good to keep it friendly and informative. Craft your message and enter it into the designated field. And now that you've entered your custom message, it's time to save your changes. This step activates maintenance mode, replacing your live site with the message you've just crafted. Whenever visitors attempt to access your site, they'll now see this message until you choose to disable maintenance mode. Congratulations, you've successfully put your website into maintenance mode on hPanel. Remember, you can reverse these steps to disable it once your updates or maintenance are complete. This ensures your site goes back to being publicly accessible with all improvements or fixes in place. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.